Have you ever wondered why some monkeys turn 100,000 bananas into 1 million bananas, while others stay stuck in the same banana pile for years and years? The answer is not luck. It's not winning the banana lottery. And it's definitely not waiting for a miracle coconut to fall from the sky. The truth is simple. There's a fundamental difference between a monkey with $100,000 and a monkey who climbs to their first million bananas. Today, you'll discover exactly what that difference is and how to apply it to your own jungle life. If you've already saved your first 100K bananas, congrats. That was the hardest part of the climb. But if you're not there yet, don't worry. What I share today will accelerate your journey to banana freedom. The magic of banana compounding. Let's start with a jungle truth. There's an invisible force working in favor of any monkey who invests. This force is called compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And trust me, he wasn't talking about coconuts. Here's how it works. If you have 100,000 bananas invested at 4.5% return, you earn about 375 bananas per month just for letting your bananas sit in the tree. But here's the secret most jungle monkeys miss. Those 375 bananas also start producing more bananas. In month 2, you're not at 100,000, and that pile earns even more. It's a snowball rolling down the mountain, small at first but unstoppable with time. Experts say starting with 50,000 bananas at 10% return, you double to 100,000 in 7 years, then 200K in another 7, 400K in another 7, 800K in another 7. Do you see the pattern, jungle friend? The doubling stays the same, but the banana gains get huge. 50,000, then 100,000, then 200,000, then 400,000. That's the power of compounding. Your bananas start working harder than you do. Mindset shift. Saver monkey to wealth builder. Gorilla. But hitting 100K isn't just math. It's a mindset shift. Saving monkey thinks, cut banana snacks, hide every peel. Wealth building gorilla thinks, how do I make bananas multiply while I sleep? This shift shows up in 3 ways. 1. Risk. With a strong pile, you can diversify into smarter, higher return banana trees. 2. Time. You stop racing the clock and start thinking long-term jungle strategy. 3. Opportunities. With a banana cushion, you can grab big chances like education, businesses, or jungle real estate. 2025 Banana Investment Strategies. Now let's get practical. In today's jungle, the U.S. economy, 2025, Treasury banana trees pay about 4.5%. That's 375 bananas per month passive income. But the smart monkey doesn't eat those bananas. He reinvests them, feeding the banana snowball. Want to reach $1 million in 15 years? You'll need monthly contributions between 3,000 to 4,200 bananas. Sounds big? Remember, part of it comes from the bananas your pile is already growing. The perfect jungle portfolio. Here's a sample mix for 2025 monkeys. 30% fixed income bananas, Treasury CDs, TPS, steady banana flow. 50% stocks bananas, big dividend paying companies, growth plus extra banana snacks. 20% rate bananas, real estate banana trees, monthly banana income. As your pile grows, explore international banana markets too. 5 monkey mistakes that kill banana wealth. 1. Impatience. Monkey, panic selling when storms hit. 2. Ignoring banana rot, inflation, and taxes. 3. Never reviewing strategy. The jungle changes, so should you. 4. Skipping contributions. Compounding only works with consistency. 5. Not learning. Smart monkeys keep studying new banana tricks. Step-by-step jungle plan 1. Build your first 100K bananas. Priority 1. 2. Create a balanced jungle portfolio. 3. Automate banana transfers. Make it mandatory. 4. Keep learning banana strategies. 5. Review and adjust every 6 months. 6. Stay long-term. Don't panic when coconuts fall. Final jungle wisdom. You now understand why 100,000 bananas is the turning point, how compounding builds banana mountains, what strategies work in 2025, and the exact step-by-step plan to hit your first million. But knowledge without action? That's just monkey entertainment. Start today. Set up your banana account, invest automatically, and let the jungle math do its work. Remember, financial freedom isn't luck. It's planning, discipline, and banana consistency. Your journey to 1 million bananas starts with the first peel you invest today. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, share it with your monkey tribe, and subscribe for more jungle finance wisdom. Now tell me in the comments, are you still climbing to your first 100K bananas? Or are you already stacking toward 1 million? Your story might inspire another monkey in the tribe.